In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a group chat link in ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and either begin a new conversation or open one you already want to use with other people. This works best when you already have a topic, draft, plan, or discussion in progress because it gives everyone a shared starting point. If you are creating something from scratch, you can also start with a fresh chat and build it together from there. Once you are inside the conversation, look for the group chat or collaboration option. The exact placement may vary depending on the version of ChatGPT you are using, but it will usually be located somewhere around the chat controls or sharing features. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the collaboration feature connected to the current conversation, since that is what allows multiple people to join the same discussion. After you find that option, create a group chat link. This link acts as the invitation for others to access the conversation. When the link is generated, it is a good idea to double check that it belongs to the correct chat before sending it out, especially if you have several conversations open. Next, share the link with the people you want to invite. You can send it through whatever communication method your group already uses, such as a team message, email, or project space. Just make sure you are only sharing it with the intended participants. Since anyone with access to that link may be able to join the conversation, depending on your settings. Once people receive the link, they can join the same ChatGPT conversation. This is where collaboration becomes much more useful because everyone can work from the same thread instead of copying and pasting ideas back and forth. Keeping everything in one place can save time and reduce confusion. From there, you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or plan together in real time. This setup is especially helpful for outlining projects, refining content, organizing tasks, or comparing different approaches to a problem. Try to keep prompts clear and focused so the conversation stays useful for the whole group. If needed, you can also manage the group link later. For example, if you want to reset the link or remove access, use the link management controls available in the collaboration settings. This is helpful if the group changes or if you no longer want additional people joining that chat. Overall, group chat in ChatGPT is a simple way to support team planning, project work, and shared workflows. When used well, it helps everyone collaborate in one organized space and move ideas forward more efficiently.